today we'll be making Panikeke Waicala. It's a Fijian take on pancakes, and this is something normally eaten on Sundays.
What's good about this recipe is that you can double it to feed our big island families on a budget with ingredients you might have in the cupboard.
So to make Panikeke Waicala, you'll need 4 basic ingredients: flour, water, sugar, salt. So first up, you need 2 cups of flour. Then you want to add brown sugar. I've got 1/3 of a cup over here. Give that a nice stir. You're gonna make a small well in the center. And then you're gonna gradually add the cold water. Stir in slowly so that we avoid any lumps in the batter. You want to make sure that you add cold water so that when the batter hits the hot oil, it's nice and crisp. So you want to make sure that the batter is somewhat in between light and heavy, and you want to make sure that after everything's incorporated, you want to beat it for about 2 minutes until everything is nice and smooth. Then to finish, we're going to add just a pinch of salt to taste. So once your batter is all nice and smooth, we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. Sweet, so after your batter is rested for 5 minutes, we're gonna start frying them. You wanna make sure that your heat is on medium and you wanna use a simple oil. Today I'm using canola. You can also use linseed and sunflower. Batter is ready to go, and we're gonna start frying our pancakes. So we're gonna slowly pour our batter in. Nice even shapes. And we're gonna wait for these to brown. So this takes about 2 to 3 minutes to cook on one side. You're looking for a nice dark brown color, and once that's seen, then you want to flip it over and cook the other side. Woo! Tap in it so they can hear the crispiness. Once your pancakes are ready, you want to put it on a plate with a clean towel so that it'll drain off all the excess oil. Set. Now the only thing we need to do now is eat our pancakes. I like to enjoy mine with a big amount of butter. And my favorite jam. For this one, I'm using a berry jam